Welcome to Grouple. In this video tutorial, we will walk you through the process of adding a reservation for walk-in guests and managing the booking seamlessly. Let's get started. First, log into your merchant dashboard by entering your registered email ID and password. Once entered, click on the Login button. After logging in, navigate to the Booking section. This is where you can manage all your reservations, including adding new ones for walk-in guests. On the Booking section, find and click the Add Reservation button to add a new walk-in reservation. Start by entering the booking details, including the date, time, and the number of guests. Then, proceed to fill in the guest's information, such as their name, email address, and phone number. Finally, add any additional reservation notes like table number, seating area preferences, or special requests. Review the details and click Save Reservation to confirm the booking. Navigate to the Ongoing tab to track, edit, and efficiently manage the booking. As the guest checks out, add the billing details. Then, update the booking status to completed to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. And there you have it. You've seamlessly added a reservation for a walk-in guest and effectively managed the booking using the Grouple merchant dashboard, making group bookings easier and faster. Ready to get started? Try Grouple now.